What makes me feel like this is the best racing game hands down on Sega Genesis? It's actually rewarding. Unlike other racing games, where you just press left and the car veers to the left, and the same thing with pressing right. All you do is you press left, you press right to keep the car on the tracks. And even at a young age, I knew that there was more to driving than that. So even when I was like 10, 11 years old, games like Outrun didn't interest me. Hard driving interested me, but it sucked. So basically, this game here is your answer, if you were one of the kids like me. This game does separate the men from the boys, because of what I just said. It sort of has a physics engine. Let's call it a control scheme. What it does is, it creates wheel hop based on how much you're effing up. So if you start effing up in a turn, you might make it out of the turn, but your bike's gonna get a little loose and you're gonna lose some speed and you're gonna get passed up. Now you try flying through a turn and you try stabbing at your throttle and your brakes like you would on an arcade style game, it's going to send you straight into oversteer and you're going to hit the inside wall. Or if you try to go too fast, your bike might get a little case of the skips, and then if you start getting squirrely on your way out of the turn and you floor it, again, right to the inside wall. Because that's how this game is. It sort of has a lean system that you have to control, but the lean system is very seamless as you go in and out of the turns. It's almost like an assist, but you don't feel it. And until you really understand it and understand why it's being applied, you're not going to like it very much. But if you understand the physics involved in real life racing, I think you are going to give this game a lot of credit for coming out when it did and what it was able to accomplish on basic, old school Sega Genesis hardware. I think this is better than Outrun, but I like a little bit of realism. And if you think a lot of Sega games lack realism when it comes to racing, this is the game for you. Just stick with it, get good at it. The first stage sucks, it's difficult. The second stage is easier to learn on. Give it some time. It's rewarding. Peace out.